Hello everybody, how are you? Today I have a recipe really easy to do and I invite you to try it. And it is tostadas with chicken. So to do the tostadas with chicken, you will need 2 tostadas. In this case, I recommend it to you to do the caseras style. The caseras style is a little bit thicker, so you can do the tostada and you can eat the tostada without no bread, because usually that's another kind of tostada, really fragile. So use the casera one, okay? So you need two tostadas, and you need 3/4 of cup of refried beans. You need 1 tomato, cabbage, like a small piece, it's like a cup of cabbage, and 3 pieces of cilantro. And you can use like 1/2 cup of cheese. In this case, I'm using Mexican blend of cheese. And I'm using sour cream. Also, you can use like half a cup of sour cream. In this case, like I said, tostadas with chicken, I'm using rotisserie chicken. Okay, it's like 1 cup. So to do the tostada, you grab the tostada and then you start putting the refried beans first. And it's like you make a layer of refried beans. And then you're gonna start putting the chicken on the top. In this case, I'm using part of the leg of the chicken and breast chicken. So I combine both meats, both chicken pieces. And then after you have it like that, you can add some cabbage with some pieces of cilantro. And then I'm going to add 2 pieces of tomato, like that. So if you look at it here, I have 2 tostadas ready. And in this one, I add cheese and sour cream. I'm going to put the tostadas in here. And in this case, have the tostada ready. If you like sour cream, you can put sour cream on the tostada without a little, like 1/2 spoon. And you can put some cheese on the top. And also I have green salsa over here. And I also have red salsa with tomatillo. And I have some jalapeno and escabeche, that's jalapeno. So in this one, you can add some jalapeno. And in the second one, you can use green salsa. So those are ready. Like you see, this is a really easy recipe. I invite you to try these ingredients. Usually we have it at home. So just get the tostadas from the store. Remember, the tostadas I suggest to use, that's the casera style, okay? And I'm going to try it. Delicious. I invite you to try. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.